Yo, 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 yo. What? You're gonna.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tobiokes and if you are returning, welcome back. It is me. Let me just start this video off by saying don't mind how my face is looking right now. Okay, first of all, I'm not talking about me not wearing any makeup. That's the usual on this channel. Honestly, you've seen so many vlogs with me not wearing makeup, but what I'm talking about is the white cast, like a bluish purpley kind of cast. I put on sunscreen, you know, the sunscreen that I was talking about in my previous video. So in today's video I will be doing the 10-minute makeup challenge, and I decided to do 10 minutes because if I succeed then I will do another video where I do 5 minutes. But yeah, this should be exciting, this should be something new. I literally haven't set out anything, so I'm just gonna be rummaging through trying to get my makeup done in time. Hopefully I get it done in time. If not, that will be a bummer, but we move on, we move. So before we even start this video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment before we start this video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you get updated whenever I post a new video, and to just make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the next portion of this video where I will be doing the makeup and the steps and stuff, and we'll see. Let's get started. I don't even want to waste any time, I just want to get into this. So I have my phone here and I'm going to get the timer. Okay, so guys, I have the timer set for 10 minutes. You can pause your screens to see if I actually have it set or whatever, but I do have it set for 10 minutes. So now I'm simply going to press start, and as soon as I press start I have to rummage through my bag. I'm going to cheat a little bit and put my hair back. Well, that's not even cheating because that has nothing to do with makeup, but I'm going to just hold my hair back, all of it, so that I can get it to work. All right, that's one and done. Okay, 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, I'm scared because I don't even know where I'm going. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, the first thing that I thought was that I'm not going to do my eyebrows. I'm not going to fill them in, so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows with any spoolie. Just brush them up. I'm gonna shape them a bit so that they look a bit cute. Okay, that's that. And like 30 seconds. How have that? Where is it? Calm down. Okay, yeah, it's not even in there. See, this is what happens. Just all you have to do is calm down. Just calm down, Toby. Okay, and then I'm going to take, not chestnut, where's fawn? Oh my gosh, maybe I should cut myself some slack and sheep. Oh, one's gonna get me in trouble. One's gonna get me in trouble. Like genuine. Is it not? Like what? Oh, the 8 minutes left. I need fawn. Like. Why did I put it there? Okay, 8 minutes. Okay. Squeeze. I'm gonna squeeze a bit of fawn. Okay, and then I'm just gonna shape my eyebrows with it. My eyebrows are really important to me, so if I mess this up, I basically messed the whole look up. That's how I feel. I'm not even gonna look at the time because my eyebrows are precious. Oh, that end is gonna, maybe I need to fill it in a bit. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna drag this down onto my lids. Okay. For someone that does their makeup in 30 minutes to an hour, I feel like I'm doing bad terribly. Close enough. What? 6 minutes? Okay. Alright. Okay, and I've only done my brows. Have that for me. Okay. Usually I go in and blend the top, but I don't have time for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do both my top and bottom first. So it's time for that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do my top and bottom first. So just take chestnut and do the shape the top of my eyebrows and then drag it out. Drag it out like so. Okay, next one. Okay, Jesus. And I'm still trying to make this look cute. Okay. Okay. If I've done that in 5 minutes, my brows are literally almost everything to me. So they kind of look okay. I'm not gonna lie. So I take this like eye brush and then I just blend it out. Usually I would have done my what's it called first? My I don't know. I can't really talk. And I'm keeping this well, that's if I haven't cut it, but I'm gonna do like 1 take. But if there's noise in the background or something, I might have to cut it out. So I can't really say it will fully be 1 take, but just know I'm trying 4 minutes. I spent basically all 10 on my eyebrows. Isn't that nice? Isn't that lovely? Yeah, this is actually impossible. Okay, sure. Okay. And then, because I don't have time, I'm gonna just use chestnut again. And take it on everywhere that I want to conceal. Okay. Usually I wait for it to dry, but we can skip that today.
What is that?
Oh, literally 3 minutes. I'm effed. That's what I am. Okay. No, not. Okay. Now, I bought a new foundation and I was like, you know what? Let me just open it before I do this video. But I was like, no, I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating in any way, any shape or form. So new. Ah! I've already, anyways. So literally, you know me, I only use one swab and I've gotten some of it on here and I'm so mad. I'm gonna wipe it off. I don't have time to be mad. I don't actually have time to be angry. So then I take my foundation. This is actually just gonna be a baseless look because I literally have 2 minutes left. Oh, this is so tragic. Ugh. Wait a minute. Should I just give up here? Oh my gosh. And then I put some on my forehead, but doesn't even matter honestly. This is actually, I give up. I don't. Why should I? 1 minute. And then I take a blend. I feel it on my chin. I take a blend of chestnut and fawn. I literally have 50 seconds. That's not happening. Is it? What should I do? Chestnut in a... Oh, did I turn my ringer on so you guys can hear just in case? Okay. 30 seconds. Oh. Oh my lord. Yeah, this is something. I can't even find the brush I used to blend. This is just a mess, honestly. 3, 2. You know what? The least I can do for myself right now is blend this out and come to you guys to do the outro. I don't have much to say. Can we just... Yeah, let's just move on, please. This is the first time you're seeing me coming to you with my face incomplete, so I cannot do my makeup in 10 minutes. At least I tried, you know. It's the thought and the perseverance that counts, so I didn't give up even though I wanted to. Not that bad overall. I give myself a 5 out of 10, solid 5, because there are major improvements that could be made, but it's not terrible. I'm actually going to try this again, but this time I'm going to have my things laid out because most of my time was taken from looking for the fawn. I'm probably not going to conceal the bottom of my brows in the other one and the top of my brows. I'm just going to go with the flow, do a natural brow and then see how it turns out. So that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you are in for the journey when I do more challenges like this. And finally, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. Wishing you happiness, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.